Well, we tried the junkyard headlights, and he likes the original, so we're gonna go back to those.
Yeah, they're cool, but
yeah,
not my bag.
It looks kind of cool, but yeah, I'm with you. Keep it 90s.
I might keep the taillights though.
Yeah, the taillights look good.
Strictly for Ross use only. Don't forget. Alright, FYI too, I was looking for whatever kind of bulbs go in the factory lights or whatever, and O'Reilly, this thing popped, and they're $10.99. The replacements, they still have them. I picked it up the next morning.
That looks really good too.
Yeah. So if you're looking, you don't have to junkyard it.
Brand new skis.
There we go.
Time to test them.
There we go.
Let's see if it works. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. Not the side one.
Does the turn signal work on this side?
On that side? Yeah. The bottom part does, but
But not the side.
but this does not. I'm stupid. Apparently that's the high beam.
Come on at all?
Oh, no. A negatory. Doing some troubleshooting.
Well, yeah, it's just they're not latching in there very good, so I'm going to have to squeeze the pins. Try to squeeze it, I guess.
Like electrical tape or something?
No, just pliers. I'm just going to have to squeeze so the metal bends in and holds them better.
Oh, okay.
But
Sweet. Yay.
Something's getting weird. Oh, God, my battery's freaking dead again.
All lights work. Yep. It's like Christmas. Okie doke. They're in there. Your battery must be dead or something. No. That was uneventful.